Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check for unauthorized transactions in Bluevine. Keeping an eye on your account is key to spotting fraud early. Bluevine makes it easy to review your activities and catch suspicious charges. Here's how. First step is to log into your Bluevine account via the mobile app, or of course you can log in on the website. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions or Activity tab. Then scroll through your recent transactions. You want to look for charges that you don't recognize, especially unusual amounts, merchants, or locations. To narrow your search, you can use the filter or search functions to sort by date, merchant, or amount. If you spot something suspicious, click on the transaction to see more details such as the time, merchant, and payment method used. Now just select Report an Issue or Dispute Transaction once you've confirmed that it's indeed an unauthorized transaction. For immediate concerns, you want to contact Bluevine support directly to freeze your account or card. And also make sure to regularly check your account because this helps to protect your business from fraud before it escalates. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.